Hey friends, here's a quick video to show you how to replace your MAF sensor or mass airflow sensor on your N55 engine. This sensor is located at the rear of the engine on the air duct, as you can see right there. Just a note, it is not the same as the MAP sensor or manifold absolute pressure sensor that's right by the throttle body. So the first step in replacing this sensor is we'll want to move this hose out of the way that's connected to the engine cover. Just use a flathead screwdriver to pop that open and move it aside. From there we can pop the engine cover off and just grab those two rubber bushings. They do have a tendency to run away if you're not careful. From there, use that same flathead screwdriver to loosen up the hose clamps. We want to disconnect the MAF sensor as well. There is a stud at the back of the engine. You'll need to pull that off the rubber grommet that is part of the air duct. You can see that right there. And then we'll just need a T20 to loosen the two screws and back those out so we can pull the MAF sensor out. Now one note, there is a nub right there, so you want to pull it straight out. You do not want to twist it. Then just give the O-ring a once over to make sure it's in good shape before you pop that back in. The book says the torque spec is 3.5 Newton meters, but just snug it up and you'll be fine. And here's a look at that back in place. So from there to reinstall it, it's just the reverse of disassembly. Pop the air duct back in place, tighten up the hose clamps, make sure you plug in the MAF sensor. Of course, don't forget the rubber bushings, and then the engine cover goes back in place. And that's it, folks. Simple job and you're all done. Hope that helped. Thanks for watching.